Welcome, Tarot Me More, Artboard Edition. The guy and mother closed the beach, guys. But here we are with the artboard. Good positive vibes of creativity on it. And we're going to do a heart spread now for Capricorns. Fridays are always Sag and Capricorn day for our singles and our coupled reading. This is the coupled reading heart spread. Singles is if you don't have anybody on your mind, and this one is if you have somebody on your mind who this is going to want to pick up on. We have a certain spread here. I'll explain as we go along. We do have a link to it on our site. This is primarily what I use until we started using the four pillars single spread, because it seemed like it kind of pick up on singles energy, not really take pop outs. But it does tend to lean more for someone who has someone on their mind, and sometimes it goes a little astray if there's no relationship. So a lot of times that's because the relationship's more on our mind and in reality, and tarot picks up on reality, if that makes sense. Yeah. So it helps to be clear. This is for going to pick up who's on our mind for Capricorns for the second week of April, 8th through the 15th time frame. Really, it's whenever you hear it. Sorry. Capricorns, we're starting out. This is your energy, how you're feeling in and around relationships, what's in your heart. And it looks like there's swords in your heart. This is that classic card of tarot, that sort of means tarot nowadays. So that's rough energy come into a relationship with or be in a relationship with, because we don't know if this is something new or something you're in here. Let's see what your partner's showing up with. Well, that's good for you, because the Queen of Cups, if there's anybody that can soothe the Three of Swords broken heart, it would be a Queen of Cups, very loving and strong, capable but emotionally available, intelligent, compassionate, caring. So is it that kind of relationship and that's a good place to come to a relationship with. It's like the best. I mean, one of the best, and can't beat the Queen of Cups. So is it that kind of thing where you, right now, you're kind of crying on their shoulder, which is okay. So I'm trying to get an idea of what's going on. Because also this is the energy of kind of where you're at anyway. I'm trying to get a little bit and distinguish between this energy, which is where you're at in terms of the relationship here. And so this is the happy family. This is the building of the happy family, the work on the happy family. That's you once you're in the relationship, and this is your partner. Very nice here. Wow. Okay. Maybe you have a lot of support. This is very good. Your partner with the Queen of Cups and the Queen of Pentacles, once you're in the relationship, they're feeling more stable. They are more stable. The Queen has a really nice energy. She gets everything done that the Queen would do, but a little bit softer, with a little divine feminine touch, a little more receptive, a little less dictatorial. But I just have a sense maybe what's going on is the pain you're suffering. Maybe it's about something else. It's not the relationship, and maybe they're there for you. Let's see what your advice from Spirit is. The Queen of Wands, and your partner's advice from Spirit, the King of Swords. Capricorn, I'm gonna look here at your advice from Spirit for the relationship as a whole. This is really heavy here. I mean, we look at these like this, we look at this, we look at this. This is your advice for you and the relationship for them. And this is to channel a strong self. here that's optimistic and brave, active, not afraid to take chances, outgoing. And they're being asked to be the King of Swords. Add that to this energy. I almost see like a stepping up to the plate, like your person is there for you in this sort of such a solid way, and even their advice is to, maybe your person is having to be stronger in your relationship than they've ever been in their life, and that's their advice here, the King of Swords. It's like, yes, you need to be stronger for your person, for this relationship, than you've ever been in your life, And for this advice for you, it's kind of like take heart, because your person's there, you have a marriage, you know it, Let's see what the advice from Spirit is for the relationship. Wow. Yeah, patience, the Sagittarius card, but patience, temperance, the word temperance, bring temperance to the relationship, right? What you're going to do, the King and Queen. And the Queen of Wands is dynamic too. Comes to mind, take heart. Because the outcome is the Ace of Cups. Boy, with that outcome, I don't know. The Three of Swords, let's see. Nine of Pentacles. I'm clarifying the Three of Swords, that's you, which I don't normally do. Because I don't see a problem in this reading. It's almost kind of boring except for the Three of Swords here. And the Nine of Pentacles. Are you grieving over losing the single self? And this advice is like you embracing the passion of it all and the family of it all, and you seem to be moving into that energy and bringing in the balance and patience and stuff, and then ending up with your Ace of Cups as the outcome. It doesn't get any better than that. So whatever this Three of Swords is, I don't see it being about this relationship. It's kind of like steady as she goes, just the advice is you can just go ahead and be that more passionate person, be more outgoing, be a little more outrageous, whatever. And your person is asked to add to the Queen energy a strong sense of boundaries and maybe doing some kind of protecting or something, of you. Maybe you're still a little vulnerable from this Three of Swords energy, but that's okay. But everything's on course with Temperance and Ace of Cups. It's just like you're just going right down the chute to love. Just get on your sled and just go right down the chute and to the outcome here, which is the Ace of Cups. It was a fantastic reading, guys. I'm sorry whatever happened. Maybe send a message and let me know what was going on. That would be a conversation for a personal reading to, would you probably know what it is. But thank you guys. Like, share, subscribe. It's easy to like. What the heck? It's good karma. Thank you, Capricorns.